चेक करने.
Welcome to all of you. Sir, as our official meeting was scheduled in the month of April, we were trying for a good function, but due to this COVID incident, we have to take the meeting over Zoom. So all our expectations have been we have cut down our list limits, but we are working in this conditions. We are working very well.
Yeah.
Okay. I once again welcome you all.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. Over to you, Rahul.
Hello. Hello.
Over
Hello.
to you.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you, President. So let us start the meeting. So I request our President to recall the directors one by one for their services done in the year.
राहुल सर, ये डीजे का इंट्रोडक्शन होना है.
Yeah, sure. Before that, I'll request AG Mallikarjun Bhattiji to introduce our DG to all the participants. Please, Mallikarjun.
Good evening, all the participants, all the members, district governor, and the secretary club coordination. Dr. Girish Masurkar is a medical graduate from MR Medical College, Gulbarga, and postgraduate in ophthalmology from JN Medical College, Belgaum. He is working as an ophthalmic surgeon since 1989 and is managing director of Shri Banashankari Eye Hospital at Bagalkot. As an ophthalmic surgeon, he is serving the patients coming from कोणीतरी डिस्टर्बन्स आहे, कोणतरी बोलते पाठीमागनं.
बेटा सर, आप कंटिन्यू करो.
आप कंटिन्यू करो, इधर से आ रहा है आवाज.
और जॉइन हुआ किया सगळेच मीटिंग सुरू झाली राव.
बिजापूर, रायचूर, गदग and Belgaum.
तुम्ही राहुलला फोन करा लगेच.
Shri Banashankari Eye Hospital is well equipped with modern and state-of-art of machineries. Dr. Girish Masurkar has conducted 70 free eye camps on his own and also in association with many social organizations like Rajasthan Yuvat Mandal, Lions Club, Bharat Vikas Parishad, Ekkal Vidyalaya, Akhil Karnataka Brahman Mahasabha, along with Rotary and Inner Wheel clubs. He joined Rotary in the year 1993 and has served in many capacities in the club. He was president in 2000 and 2001, year of create awareness and take action. During his presidentship, the club membership strength showed a rise of 100% from 27 members to 54 members. He was presented with district awards, district best small club, citation award and polio award. He also received best club service award. He has received Rotary and District Service Award twice. He has received Club Builder Award from Rotary International. He was GSR for Ilkal Club. He was GGR in 2001 and 2, Assistant Governor in 4 and 5. He has served as a Chairman District Committee for various posts. He was member of Nominating Committee for 8 and 9. He was District Secretary in 8 and 9. He has actively participated in District Assembly, PET-SET, seminars and many district programs. He has served as a project coordinator for 3 matching grants, 2 are avoidable blindness project, under which 400 cataract operations were done free of cost. And another safe drinking water project provided 4 borewells to needy community. He has attended Rotary Convention in Thailand. He is associated with many social, professional and NGOs. Attended Rotary training program Disha at Calcutta, attended and flag exchange at Aldingham, Australia, improvement in of activities, President of IMA Biomedical Waste Facility, which is only the second unit of this kind in whole Karnataka. President of Local Association, Giliyar Balaga and its activities, National Human Rights Services, President of Bharat Vikas Parishad, Director of Ratnakar Sudra Bank, member of Mahaseva Kendra Bagalkot, President of Go Krishna Samiti, its activities, President Akkal Karnataka Brahman Mahasabha and activities, organizing chairman of Advocates Sammilan, Secretary of Rangavittal Bhajan Mandal and its activities, and other associations. Appreciation letters from various organizations in recognition of his contribution to their organization. Donation of borewell to St. Xavier High School, Village Road, commitment to humanity, major donor level 1. Happily married with Anne Sandhya. He has 2 children, one Dr. Shravan is also an ophthalmologist, and daughter-in-law Dr. Ulka is also an ophthalmologist. And grand Dr. Naira and Dr. Namrata MDS are the dentists. So here I welcome our beloved District Governor, Dr. Girish Masurkar. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, Bhadeji, for your kind words.
Just adding
Now,
to the
request Rahul to continue the meeting.
yeah. Before I am handing over the meeting to DG, I think yesterday only our DG has celebrated his anniversary. So I wish them, both of them, on behalf of our club, a very happy anniversary to our DG.
Thank you very much, all of you.
Now I request President Sushil to hand over the meeting to the DG for further proceedings.
Yeah.
Yes.
President,
Sir,
please.
yes, sir. I hand over meeting to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Rahul,
Thank you.
Rahul, take DG on
Rahul.
center screen. Take DG on center screen.
Yeah. Over to DG, sir.
Thank you very much, Sushil.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sachin Shah, Secretary, Assistant Governor Mallikarjun Bhadeji, Assistant Governor, District Secretary Vasuki ji, and all other senior members of your club as well as the younger members. I thank you very much for inviting me for the official visit on Zoom. Because of this testing times of COVID-19, all of us are definitely in a difficulty, but all of us are also doing good work. Full work through your club. The district has also done so many good things, including so many global brands. Probably your club is also going to get one of them, and also get involved in one COVID-19 grant also, and probably another 2 may occur. I am very much confident that your club is doing very well all activities. International Director or Youth Service Director to present their these things, or only Secretary can also present. Whatever it is suitable for your club, you can do. Before that, I request Vasuki, who has done a wonderful work throughout this year, and he is coordinating to all the clubs. I thank him immensely in front of you, and I request him to give your club performance and about citation and my Rotary. Vasuki.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, it's a good, very good actually as far as the documentation is concerned. Still, there are certain things that we, as a club, we need to improve. The first one is about the Rotary ORG registrations. Because it is not the RID 3170 our app. It's the Rotary ORG registration. Our district coverage is more than 50%, whereas your club is 42%. That means you need to motivate your members to register in www.rotary.org. At least you need to come up around 80%, 75 to 80%. That one thing you need to do it. And The citation actually you have done almost all projects, but some of the projects you need to upload in the citation. Otherwise, you don't get the Rotary citation. You have done wonderful jobs, all projects, everything, but you don't write your examination, means you don't get the certificate. So you need to upload all documents in the Rotary ORG, not in the RID 3170. For the Rotary citation, it is Rotary ORG, you need to upload all the documents. And the strategic planning, all other documents, either financial documents or their club documents are full perfect, except the strategic planning. So your club is a bigger club with 84 members. You might have had more strategic planning. Actually, in the strategic, this one, you have a plan, you have uploaded the strategic planning. It is not sufficient actually for the club with the 84 members. Just you see that, look into this one. There's a definite format. If you want, I'll send it across. Fill those in this one, upload in 1 or 2 days. Otherwise, all other data, either the Rotary fees, district fees, and news, everything is correct. So even the remaining thing, except there is a citation, you have uploaded, you have documented. Only thing is, I think 1 or 2 parameters you need to complete it actually. Maybe the club growth rate, whatever is there, that may be missing there actually, that you need to upload. Otherwise, all other documents are good. Thank you, sir. Thank you to DG. Or to DG.
Thank you very much for the elaborate explanation about everything My Rotary and citation project. I know Baddeji is there to guide them. That in spite of that, I want to give the information about the My Rotary. So you can definitely log into My Rotary, as well as the President Sushil Biani can definitely give his information for the citation, for to get the citation certificate. This is advice from our side. The second thing is, I request now the club service director to present, or should I go for the secretary's report?
No, sir. All the director will say that.
Okay, then one by one, let them tell. You ask them.
Rahul, firstly, take club service director, Subhash Bhai Shah.
Okay. Subhash bhai. Hello.
Club service director, Subhash Bhai.
Hello.
ऑडियो ऑन हो गया?
हाँ हो गया ऑडियो ऑन. सुभाष जी, you requested by president to please tell the details during the year. What is your plan? What is your plan of action? What are the remaining things? Please proceed.
Yes, sir. Respected District Governor Shri Basodkar, Assistant Governor Shri Badde. Are you hearing, sir? Please.
Yes.
Respected District Governor Shri Basodkar, Assistant Governor Shri Badde, District Secretary Shri Vasuki, President Secretary of Rotary Club of Sangli Midtown and Sangli Midtown Galaxy. Good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Thank you.
Good evening.
I Subhash Shah, being the club service director for year 2019-20, presenting my yearly report as follows. First, being a club service director, my prime duty is to increase the strength of club. This year, we had inducted 4 new members and additional 4 members we are going to induct before year end. Induction is delayed due to pandemic situation all over the world and due to lockdown in India. However, we are confident to celebrate it very soon. Second point, our club is famous to celebrate birthdays of all members in different style. This year also, we had implemented a different idea. Our birthday committee visits birthday boy residence and submitting Mana Chinna, appreciation letter, and remind his good work to society. Third point, Rotary Club of Sangli Midtown every year goes to monsoon trip. This year also, we had been in Shangri-La Resort located at Khanapur near to Goa border. Total 25 families had been enjoyed this trip, and I am confident for all of us, this is a lifetime memorable trip. Fourth point, good speakers always pulls a good audience. This year, we focused this point and succeeded also. Our all meetings were having a 40 to 50% audience every time. Fifth point, during my induction, I assured to serve all India different location dishes for snacks. Each time I tried to give a better and economical dishes. In few meetings, I had served homemade dishes, and hopefully everyone must have enjoyed it. To attract more audience, this year also we are giving that dish photo on WhatsApp. This new idea is definitely clicked and may be implemented in other club. Of course, this is my personal suggestion. हम क्या करते हैं, डिश जो शाम को स्नैक्स की तरीके से देना चाहते हैं, वो पर्टिकुलर डिश का फोटो हम अपलोड करते हैं. इससे ये करने से क्या होता है, लोगों का जो आने का जो मन होता है वो बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है और लोग बाग ऑडियंस हमने अच्छी तरीके से पुल कर दिया है. From last 4 years, we are winning a President Citation Award. For this one, a new inducted member must be below 40 years. We are hereby pleased to announce that this point has been noted and completed also. Due to flood situation in August, September and pandemic situation in March to May, we had a limitation to serve club. Even then, we tried our level best and definitely we have succeeded in all the corners. With this, I have completed my club service report. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sir, any question, sir, please?
DG sir, any questions or any reports?
No, he will discuss at the end of all the reports.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
President, please respond to another director. Who is next?
Next, Vijay go, sir.
Vijay, are you hearing?
Yes.
Okay, then proceed with your details.
Okay. I am Vijay Gosar. Hello.
Yeah, we are listening. Vijay, please.
I am Vijay Gosar, Community Director.
Yes.
See, our project number 1, we have done a blood donation camp and collected 50 numbers of bottles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sir.
Go ahead, Vijay.
Second project is we have distributed 300 food packets to flood affected people. Per food packet cost was 600 rupees. We have total distributed 1,80,000 rupees food packet. With our third project is we have donated 30 computers to schools flood affected by flood. This was the joint project done with our club, Miraj Club and Pune Club, Rotary Club, all. Our fourth project is with the help of our club member, Mr. Y.V. Kulkarni and his son, we have donated books and musical instrument to Samrao Nagar School. Total cost is 75,000 rupees. After that, we have distributed 250 Diwali Farar packet to municipal school number 6 and 11. Recently, we have done for COVID-19, we have donate 150 and 95 masks to Miraj Civil Hospital. Cost is 25,000 rupees. After that, we have collected 80,000 from our members for PM Care Fund from our club. During COVID-19 pandemic, did help checkup of 50 policemen with the help of IMA and our club. And our big project, RO Water ATM project is under progress. Total cost is 4 lakh rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Any other activity, Vijay, please?
No, but only this.
Okay. Thank you, Vijay.
Thank you.
Who is next, President?
Sudhir Maitri, Vocational Director.
Good evening to all.
Good evening.
Being a vocational director this year, I was supposed to complete following 4 events. First, meeting at workplace about among we have 84 Rotarians.
Yes.
Secondly, know our Rotarians. Thirdly, we supposed to arrange a meet in a various schools and colleges in our Sangli, so that students can get to know about various businesses run, how they run the businessmen. They get to know all the students in the schools, otherwise colleges. Fourth one, the vocational award. This is the most important event in our club. This year also we arranged this vocational awards in on the day of 26 February 2020. We distributed 6 awards, and these 6 awardees we selected from the nominated that was nominated by the society or also from our Rotarians. These nominated or the awardees, they all succeeded in their respective businesses with the help of their knowledge, hard work, also dedication to their businesses.
Yes.
And that's how we presented our Rotary to society. Come close to society. Otherwise, this is we thought this is the chance to go into the public, and we honored them, and we presented these awardees to the society. That was the vocational awards.
Yes.
That's how we run all these activities throughout the year, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Next.
Rahul. Shirish Kiloskar, International Director.
Yeah, Shirish. Just a minute.
President, Secretary, and other my directors. Regarding the international activities, our each member is contributing $26.5 per head on a yearly basis out of the contribution. In addition, out of the personal request and the initiative among the members for a number of years, we are assuring that $100 contribution per member. In addition, already last year we have completed the one global grant project, and this year we have taken up 2 global grant projects. One has been taken recently based on the COVID-19 matter. It is in joint with the Miraz Midtown and our Sangli Midtown. It is regarding providing laboratory equipments to the laboratory in the Miraz Medical College, which is a government medical college where all COVID activities are being monitored and patients have been served. Second project regarding the global grant we have taken up, which is under process, and with the direct initiative of Mallikarjun and our other directors, we are confident that as we have completed last year, this year also we are planning the second project. That the project is nothing but an extension of the last year's project, that is providing neonatal equipments to the government hospital in Sangli, which is Sangli Miraz Kupad, actually Sangli Civil Hospital. In addition to this, we have conducted polio NID 2 times and provided the food and other necessities. Regarding the PHF members, we are having 2 major donors, and we are having PHF 8 1 and PHF 7 2 members. total PHF members are 26.
लेकिन लगा है क्या कुछ ऐसा लगता है?
Yeah, with this, I present the details regarding the international activities.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
बढ़ाया तो
Sir, last is Vilas Sutar, Youth Director.
बोला सर.
Rahul, just a minute. There is a disturbance little bit. Please check who is there. Please mute all the other members.
Other mute. They are entering. Some new members are coming.
Okay.
Okay, Sudarji, please continue.
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Myself, Vilas Sutar, Youth Service Director.
Yes.
First, we have done installation of Impact Club at Abhinav Balak Mandir, Pratishtha at Vishram Bagh, Sangli. Second, Rotary Club of Sangli Midtown and Rotary Movement Sangli District jointly conducted Raila at Krida Sankul ground at Miraj. Surya Namaskar Yoga was the subject of Raila. We have visited near about 110 schools and 5,000 students took part in that event, and 500 prizes distributed by the hands of T.G. Masurkar sir. Okay, thank you.
Yes, I had attended.
Sudarji, that's all.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
बोला.
सुतार साहेब झालं का तुमचं?
हा झालं सर.
Okay, thank you, Sutar Sahib. President, next. Who is next?
Okay. We have completed all the directors.
All the complaints. Can now the secretary also can talk something? Can he wants to speak something?
Yes.
Yeah, Sachin ji.
Hello, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
good evening.
बोला.
Sir, there are, I am sorry about the communication, this thing, but there were few more projects while the pandemic situation and the flood areas. There were some food packets being distributed. There were some donations done. There were some school projects. We were actually in the particular school for days long to help and serve the community since morning to night. Some of our members and doctors were available there in the flood situation at the school to help them out throughout the day. And the camp was totally sponsored by our club, rather to say, because all the members who were there, we were allotted that school during that flood situation, wherein all the flood victims were kept. So that was the one thing I would like to add. And the second thing was, this is for Vasuki. Vasuki, yes, I do understand that the online registration of members need to be done, and it is to be done on rotary.org. And 48.81% have already registered. I know that is to be taken to 80%. I'll do that immediately. Third, sir, regarding the TRF also, we are very much eager and waiting for this lockdown, because we have been president and all other AG, sir, or they have been calling all the members and notifying all the members about the TRF contribution and annual giving. And we are very much confident that this will be completed by the year end. I hope I have uploaded all the reports required. Subject to the this thing, strategic planning, we will definitely improvise on that within a day or two and get back to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sachin ji.
Thank you, Sachin sir.
Rahul.
Yeah. Now,
Rahul.
Sanga.
Let our
बोला. President बोला.
Let our member Khilare speak. Treasurer. He is the treasurer.
Yeah.
Hello.
Dharmendra, your treasurer report, please.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we are hearing you. Dharmendra, please.
Good evening.
Good evening.
As a treasurer of our club, I will submit, sir, my details of the regarding this treasurership. As per RI laws and as per our DG's office, all financial obligations are completed. That is for RI dues, COL, COL, then Rotary News, district funds, our trust contribution, donation to TRF. Already we have paid all these financial obligations. Then also club services, already 9 months expenses are done already. This is the installation ceremony, weekly meeting, fellowships, as per given as our budget done at previously. Also our good project in community, that is blood donations, school uniforms. Our main project, main function, that is Adarsh Mata, is also in process, but this COVID incidents, we can't take this Adarsh Mata functions. Let's see in the future what we'll do. Because of this COVID and all these things, meetings are not regularly done. So some money, money is available with our club. I think that is round about 1,20,000 about this. And as per as decision, as with help with our AG, birthday G, we are thinking about and we are doing that amount in some community project and other things also. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Hello?
thank you, Narmo. Over to DG, sir.
राहुल मला ऍड कर की, राहुल मी आलो नाही केव्हाच.
हो आहे.
हॅलो
हॅलो,
बोला सर. सुशील काय म्हणता? आणि कोण काय विचारणार आहे? बड्डे सर काहीतरी विचारणार आहे?
My remarks about the visit. I thank you all the directors, secretary, president, and the treasurer for presenting their report. It's a good practice that all the directors speak, maybe some few sentences, but it is always better that they speak about their avenues. So it shows that all club members are working, not only president and secretary. It is very important because in many clubs only president and secretary works and remaining all the burden is taken by them. But in our club, all the directors are working. It's a good sign. Then I thank secretary for uploading all the documents. There may be required some improvement. That I am also sure that the secretary will take that care. It's very important the image of our club. From last few years, we are developing our club's image very nicely. Last year, we have done our first ever global grant, completed. All the reports are also submitted. This year also we have planned 2 global grants. One is at Neonatal Center, Sangli Civil Hospital, where we are giving them scanning machine. That is under project in pipeline. District governor is very well known about it. He is also helping me in getting a foreign partner and the international contribution. Our club is ready to donate that amount also, our club contribution. Then at present, we are actively doing the COVID-19 global grant project in coordination with the Rotary clubs mirrors. That also DG has given the international partner and also have given the sufficient contribution. Our club, Mirrors Club, and Lula Charitable Trust, all the 3 are going to donate for the club contribution. And I'm sure that project will be functioned within 15-20 days. Because under COVID, the district governor and our DRFC are very eager and they are very much trying to get the sanctions within weeks time. And this will develop a good image of our club. And I think total giving of our club will go high. Up to this year, it was about $1,09,000. And after completing these global grants, it will go up. Regarding membership development, president and the group has also done a good thing. They are still installed 4 members and going to install 4 more. Our club is from last 3 years. We are getting the appreciation as every Rotary in every year, $100 per capita and Rotary citation. These three things we are last 3 years we are receiving from Rotary International, and I'm sure that this year also our team will go ahead and achieve all the three awards under the able guardianship of Dr. Girish Masur. And very much thankful for our DG for helping us to go through all the grants and even 50,000 rupees for the Rotary movement for the flood relief. And this time he is helping us for COVID-19 through a global grant. And I assure all the support from our club in the remaining 50-55 days to our district. And I wish all the members that they will do good and will come with flying colors, and district governor will 100% appreciate them all in the district award. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Baddeji, for giving the information. Vasuki, do you want to elaborate anything?
Nothing much, sir. Only thing is I request everybody to give more TRF this year, more than at least 10% more than last year. We want to achieve our target. Yes, we agree there are certain
I think
conditions.
This club is always giving club.
That's why I'm requesting more from them, sir.
Yeah. They will do it.
Yes,
Sushil is giving a smile. So this smile is a indication of that we are going to get more and more. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, the Sangli Midtown Rotarians, Sushil Biani, Sachin Shah, then Mallikarjun Baddeji, Rahul Inamdar, Dharmendra Khilare, Subhash Shah, Neil Irale, Shirish Kirloskar, Vijay Kosar, Vijay Sutar, Rajendra Abhinay, and YV Kulkarni also for that matter, and Dr. Mohan Patil. Thank you very much for joining the Zoom meeting. Very much thankful. And it has been a wonderful year for me, but 2 episodes of disaster, one for flood, which you all suffered in Sangli very badly, as well as COVID-19. All of us are pandemic suffering that. In spite of all these difficulties, probably we have done the best things we can do. If we get those grants of 2 or 3 the magnitude in coming days, it will be one of the best years for your club also. So with what I can say is we should do good things in life, go on doing good things in life, and it will definitely come back to us. In that aspect, I want to tell is सगळ्यांना खार माहित आहे ना, रामायणाची खार जी कळत असते ती बी खाऊन खाऊन कुठं तरी लपवते आणि विसरून जाते ती सगळ्या बिया, आणि ते जिथे बी उरले असते तिथं नवीन झाड येत जातात. म्हणजे आपण जे काय कुठं पण चांगलं काम करत जातो ते तिथं बी म्हणून राहते आणि नंतर थोड्या दिवसांना मोठा झाड म्हणून येईल. त्या प्रमाणात आपलं सर्वांचं काम आहे. मी सर्वजण त्या प्रकारे काम करत आहोत. आपली चांगली कामं आपल्याला पुढच्या जन्मात किंवा पुढच्या आपल्या जन्माच्या वेळेमध्ये कधीतरी आपल्याला डेफिनेटली परत मिळतील. आणि जे काय आपण चांगलं काम करतो ते देव आम्हाला डबल भरोशानं परत करतो, एवढे मला खात्री आहे माझ्या स्वतःच्या अनुभवावर पण. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे आपण सगळे भाऊक असतो. मोस्ट ऑफ अस काहीतरी कुणाला काहीतरी झालं तर काहीतरी द्यावं ह्या मनानच आपण सगळे रोटरीच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये भाग घेत असतो. आणि त्या दृष्टीने तुमच्या क्लबनं भरपूर असं चांगलं काम ह्या वर्षी केलेलं आहे आणि पुढे पण करणार आहे मला खात्री आहे. आणि तुमचे अगदी सिनियर मेंबर तलाशीकर आले नाहीत वाटतं, आहेत की नाही माहित नाही मला. आणि त्याचा पण मला एकदा तुमच्या गावाला आलो होतो तेव्हा सांगलीमध्ये, जेव्हा अजून विनय पैरायकरनी तुम्हाला त्या कॅन्सरच्या पेशंट्सना बरं करण्यासाठी कॉट वगैरे काहीतरी दिला असला, छोटा एक ग्रँट केला होता वाटतं, होय ना बद्देजी?
ओल्ड एज
होम काहीतरी असं केलेलं आहे. आणि तुमच्याच मेंबरनं पण ते मेंटेन करतात असं ऐकलेलं आहे मी. तेव्हा पण आलो होतो. आय डेफिनेटली हॅव दॅट विविड मेमरी ऑफ दॅट हॉस्पिटल which has been run by you people, where the terminally ill cancer patients or any old age man is getting treatment from your club. It's one of the human service you are doing, as well as definitely your club is trying hard to help the COVID-19 patients also by giving sensitizers, mask and everything, and you are trying to give some machine to the Miraj Hospital also. So best of luck for all of you. Remaining whatever for 50 days are there, I again infuse you to give more and more of your time, whatever possible best way to the community, and definitely do the good works in coming days. With these few words, I thank everyone once again, and again request you to give handsomely towards the TRF this year also. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Rahul.
Yeah.
आपण घ्या मीटिंग आता.
राहुल, एक
I
मिनिट.
request DG to hand over the meeting to our club president.
Yeah, I hand over the meeting to the president Sushil Biyani ji.
Yeah.
Please.
Rahul,
Bol.
I request our members, if anyone wants to talk to DG sir, can talk.
Yeah, they can talk.
Yeah. Anyone interested, please raise your hands. Jairaj. Jairaj.
हाँ बोला जयराज बोला सगळे.
जयराज बोलणार आहे का?
गुड इव्हनिंग गुड इव्हनिंग
गुड इव्हनिंग
गुड इव्हनिंग गुड इव्हनिंग बोला.
काय काय म्हणतं COVID-19
हाफ सेंचुरी झाली आमची, रेड झोन मध्ये आहे.
हाफ सेंचुरी झाली. तुम्ही ठीक आहे, काळजी घ्या.
घ्यायलाच पाहिजे. आता काय आपण सगळ्यांना त्याच्याबरोबर राहायला शिकायला पाहिजे. ते काय जाणार नाही येत ना, आमच्या बरोबर जाणार ते आपण सगळं शिकायला पाहिजे. त्याच्याबरोबर आपण कसं राहायचं, दॅट इज द ओनली वे यू कॅन लिव्ह इन दिस नो. Before corona and after corona, life is going to be very different. So we'll have to manage this somehow, taking all the precautions. Because everyone of India and everyone of the world will definitely have COVID. But the thing is, he will survive or he will not be surviving. He is on his own immunity. To take the precaution is only criteria: self-distancing and mask wearing. These are the two things you have to do. The must.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you.
Because it is changing its characteristics by mutation every hour. That virus is not that easy. They are trying their level best. Scientists, just I have read today that they tried every level. They have tried to have a vaccine, but every hour it changes its characteristics. It's very difficult to have a vaccine with such viruses. Okay.
Okay,
so
Rahul.
only autoimmunity which will help us out.
Okay. Anybody else want to talk? Mohan?
Yes.
Dr. Mohan?
अशोक महाजन और YV कुलकर्णी सर.
अभिनय आहेत बघा, अभिनय.
अभिनय. ओके, अभिनय.
गुड इव्हनिंग सर.
गुड इव्हनिंग, बोला.
मला फक्त एवढं सांगायचं आहे की जे कॉन्फरन्स साठी आलो होतो, माझं पहिलं वर्ष रोटरी मधलं, आणि ते कॉन्फरन्स वॉज व्हेरी मच मेमोरेबल. म्हणजे आयुष्यातली पहिली रोटरीची कॉन्फरन्स असं कायम लक्षात राहण्यासारखी कॉन्फरन्स होती. त्याबद्दल तुमच्या टीमचे, मॅडमचे खूप खूप धन्यवाद.
ओके.
छान वाटलं मला ती कॉन्फरन्स, आणि कंटेंट्स पॉवरफुल होते, हे सगळ्यात जास्त महत्वाचं. जेवण तर असतं, जेवण डिनर हे सगळं छान असतं, पण कंटेंट सुद्धा जास्त पॉवरफुल होते. त्याबद्दल थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you, sir, for attending and having that interest to come as a new Rotarian. You have definitely got a good thing from that. I congratulate you for coming and attending the call. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Mohan? Okay, I think. Over to Sushil. Sushil.
ओके सर. मीटिंग अटेंड करण्यापूर्वी सर मी तुम्हाला परत अश्युअर करतो की आम्ही मॅक्सिमम आमचं TRFचं कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन ट्राय करतो. वी आर ट्राइंग अवर लेवल बेस्ट. वी विल डू अवर बेस्ट सर.
Okay, thank you for that.
Hello.
Yeah.
Before Sushil, I would like to speak, sir. Can you permit me?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Sushil just forgot to propose the vote of thanks, as is the procedure and protocol of this meeting. So may I do that? With your permission.
You can go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So with your permission, I am here to propose the vote of thanks for this today's DG visit. DG sir, of all the pandemic situation you all, DG sir, Vasuki sir, and all of us are having, we are facing this crisis. We all are together with you, and we stand united to fight it. We should all take safety measures and remain safe. So I wish you all a very healthy life ahead, and you have spared your valuable time for this visit today. I, on behalf of our club, want to thank you from the bottom of our heart. for having attended this Zoom meeting online. Actually, this was to be planned in April, and we were very much eager for you to visit the club.
Yes.
But then this situation didn't permit us. But still, I am very much thankful to you and our district secretary Vasuki for helping us out throughout the year.
Yes.
For all the correspondences and the completion of all the things. I again thank you both. Then further, I want to thank our AG, Mallikarjun Badde, for having helped us throughout the year. For in each and every way, he is helping us, and he's been an expert in the global grants now. So he's handling all the global grants. We are just assisting him. Whatever he says, you have to just go and comply. But he is the main person who is playing the main important role in that. So I thank you, Baddeji, for attending this busy visit, and I thank my coordinator of this meeting, Rahul. It was because of you that we have all been able to do this today's DG visit. So I thank you, and all the directors, members, my president, and I all thank you one and all for attending this meeting. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
For conclusion,
I now request our president to adjourn the meeting. If you
Wait. Vasuki wants to talk something.
No. Thank you. I was telling thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Rahul, I want to talk something.
Yeah.
Before conclusion.
Okay, President. Can we adjourn the meeting?
No, somebody wants to speak.
Anybody else?
Yeah. I want to speak only one line.
Yeah.
Regarding this TRF contribution, now there is one good opportunity that if you give a donation even in May or June, you will get a deduction for income tax of ATG in earlier year also.
Okay.
So that option is given by the government to everyone because of the COVID situation. So we, while taking the donations, we can convince the donor that you can claim this deduction also in the earlier year.
Okay. Good.
Very nice.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you, President.
I call upon the president to adjourn the meeting.
I adjourn the meeting. Thank you once
you
again
once and
for
all.
attending it.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Stay home, stay safe.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe.